Good morning. Um, it's literally like 8:55 right now, and I usually leave for college at 8:20. So I woke up so late. But anyways, I will just now get ready really quickly and leave for college. I also have like the whole day of college. Like on in the morning I have one class and on the afternoon another one. So I will be back at home at like 6:30 p.m. It's a long day, but let's go. I literally just came back home and I have to leave again because I was so dumb and I didn't bring my money to actually pay the college in the morning. So I'm going right now again after having two classes, which was Studio 4, the magazine design, and the second one was packaging design. I was literally so stressed, so I didn't really record in packaging design. I will be showing you everything I did after I come back from paying the college. So just giving you a little update before rushing again to college. Anyways, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back from paying the college, and as you can see by my face, I'm literally so tired. I just want to sleep, and I will probably be sleeping in like minutes and not thinking of eating dinner or doing anything. I do have some things to do, which is edit a video, clean my room, clean the kitchen, do some homework, but I'll do it tomorrow, hopefully, without any excuses. But let me tell you a bit about my day. I woke up late, I went to Studio 4, which is magazine design, and we literally just designed our magazine. We started designing the interior because last week we finished designing the cover of the magazine. Basically, the magazine is about design and art in Latin America. That's like the topic. And then you can choose the design of the logo, the design of the cover. That's all like your choices. Then we had lunch with my friends in a restaurant. This is not really something we do usually. We just decide that we eat outside like one day before Fridays because Fridays are the only days I have like full day. But most of the Fridays we just take food from home because like we cannot spend money every single Friday on eating outside. So that's like occasionally that we eat on Fridays outside. And let me tell you, it was so delicious and I was so full afterwards. But after lunch, we had packaging design. which we had to do a mood board for our brand. The thing we have to do for packaging is basically three different flavors of drinks, like drinks with gas, like like the ones we usually drink, Sprite, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, something like that, but something different we haven't seen yet. So the topic I chose for this one is sharbat, which is an Indian type of like juice kind of. It's like an essence. It comes in a little bottle and you have to make it. And usually it doesn't come with gas. You just have to like make it with sugar and then mix it with water or milk. But I made this brand which will be with gas. And I made this mood board for the brand. Then we have to like do a mood board for like the packaging design. And basically my concept is India, and like the logo will be inspired by the writing of Hindi. So yeah, that's all we did. So then afterwards, I came back home, then went again to college to pay the college, and now I'm home trying not to fall asleep. But also, yesterday I made brownie and I took brownie to eat with my friends today in class. I literally made the whole thing and it's finished in one single day. Because I ate, my friends ate, and my brother ate. So, like, no more brownie. Just let me tell you, my brownie is one of the best brownies you could ever have. That's the only good thing, like, sweet thing I can do. So, yeah. And I came back home after paying the college, and my brother made me some cookies. And also, I've been trying to like find this Havana's Dubai chocolates alfacor. So I'm going to try it right now and rate it from 1 to 10 because I've been dying, like dying to try the Dubai chocolates. It's so famous here in Argentina. Mm, mm. That's actually really nice. I rated 8.5 over 10. I'll just go to sleep now. I'll just eat this alfajor and go straight to sleep. It's currently like almost 8 p.m. Thank you so much for watching, and sorry I haven't been able to record the whole day. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. And let me know if you want to see more of these videos of my day as a graphic design student. Bye bye!